Hello everybody, welcome back to Sharon from Vivid Days. This is my final video of 2024, but I will be returning in 2025. This one we are using some super gorgeous holographic turquoise glitter, which just makes this bauble looks like it is alight with energy and it's just glistening. Any of these stages are optional, but sometimes simple is best, and I didn't really know what I was going to create with this, but I knew I wanted to use a holographic glitter, and I ended up wanting it to be the hero of the product. So if you feel that my videos are adding value, please consider giving me a thumbs up, a subscribe, a share, and comments are always welcome. Even if this has just invoked some creativity, or if it's invoked you to want to do this, just let me know. It's what helps keeping me share my content with you. But I've really enjoyed re-engaging back with resin, re-engaging with putting regular content out on my channel. I've got a long way to go to get it back to what it used to be, but I have got lots of ideas coming forward. I applied 2 layers of the glitter. The first one is in the resin, but I found on the second layer when I added clear resin and added the glitter directly to it, I had more control. But in between it all, I used some really fine of the holographic glitter. There's 2 halves, a thin side and a fat side, and I used a mixture of both. By adding the 2 layers, it just added more depth. I add some gold almost foil shards inside, and that's just to give a nice contrast. Now you can choose to do that or not, but I really like the little pop of gold that came through, and it also forced the bottom half of the bauble for the glitter to pop more. Anyway, let me know what you think to this. Would you have kept it at just the holographic glitter? Would you have been tempted to push it even more? Now this one's a little chunky monkey around the neck, so you can see that the hat doesn't fit on it properly. But this has all been a learning journey, so I came round with some nail art silver, I think it's called mirror foil around the top. You can just see it there, just to make it look a little bit sweeter. But look at those colours popping. It's just beautiful. So wishing you all a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. And for the people that don't celebrate, I hope wherever you are in the world, you are safe and well. Thank you for hanging out with me. I really appreciate you all, and have the most amazing time. I'll see you in 2025. Bye bye.